minus 1. P of t equals to t cube minus 1. Then find P of 0, comma P of 1, comma P of minus 1, comma P of 2, comma P of 3. Given polynomial is cubic polynomial because the degree of the polynomial is 3. Given polynomial is cubic polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is what is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial?
3, sir.
3. 3. That is P of t equals to t cube minus 1. P of t equals to t cube minus 1. Now we can find P of 0, P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 2, and P of 3. P of 0, that is the value of t equals to 0. Since P of 0 equals to P of 0, the value of t equals to 0. Then P of 0, now we can substitute the value of 0, t equals to 0 is P of t equals to t cube minus 1. So 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube minus 1 is
-1.
minus 1. Very good. Similarly, P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 2, and P of 3. P of 1. P of 1 equals to, now we can substitute t value equals to 1 in t cube. 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube is
1.
1 cube is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is
0.
0. Also P of minus 1. P of minus 1. P of minus 1 equals to minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is
-1.
because this is an odd number. Minus into minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus. So minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 equals to
-2.
minus 1 minus 1
-2.
minus 2. Minus 2. P of 2. P of 2 equals to substituting 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is
8 minus 7.
8. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is
7.
7. And finally, P of 3. P of 3 equals to 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube is
27.
27. 27 minus 1 is
26.
6. And one more, P of minus 2. P of minus 2. P of minus 2 equals to P of minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube is
8, sir.
-8.
minus 8. Minus 8 minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 is
-9, sir.
no problem. Once again, given P of t equals to t cube minus 1, then find the values of P of 0, P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 2, P of minus 2, and P of 3. The given polynomial is cubic polynomial because the degree of the polynomial is 3. The given polynomial is cubic polynomial. P of t equals to t cube minus 1. First of all, since P of t, the value P of 0, the value of t equals to 0. Now we can substitute the t value is 0. Similarly, substitute the t value is 1 and minus 1, 2, minus 2, and 3. So first of all, we can substitute the P of 0 equals to 0 cube minus 1 equals to 0 cube is 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. Similarly, P of 1 is now substitute T value is 1. 1 cube minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Also, P of minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is an odd number. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So minus 1, minus 2. And P of 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is 8 minus 1 equals to 8 minus 1 equals to 7. P of 3. Substituting P value is 3. 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. And P of minus 2. Substitute P value is minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 1 equals to minus 8. Minus 1 equals to minus 9. Well done. And next one. Given P of x equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. X square minus 4x plus 3. Then P of 0. Then find P of 0, comma P of 1, comma P of 2, comma P of 3. P of 3. Solution. Given polynomial is, what is the given polynomial?
Quadratic polynomial, sir.
Polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. The degree of the quadratic polynomial is
2, sir.
2. So given polynomial is quadratic polynomial. The degree of polynomial is 2. The degree of the polynomial is 2. P of x equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. X square minus 4x plus 3. Since P of 0 equals to, P of 0 means x equals to 0. Now we can substitute x equals to 0. 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 3. 0 square is
0, sir.
0. 4 into 0,
0, sir.
0 plus 3 equals to, what is the value?
Plus 3, sir.
0,
3, sir.
3. 0 minus 0 plus 3 equals to 3. P of 1 equals to 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3. 1 square is
1, sir. 1, sir.
1. Minus 4 into 1, 4 plus 3 equals to, adding positive terms. Positive term is 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is
4, sir.
4, sir.
1 plus 3 equals to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equals to
0, sir.
also P of 2. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3 equals to 2 square is
4, sir.
4. 4 2 just
8, sir. Minus 8, sir.
minus 8 plus 3. Adding positive terms. 4 plus 3 is
7, sir.
7, sir.
7 minus 8 equals to
1, sir. -1.
-1.
minus 1. And finally, P of G3. 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 3 square is
9, sir.
9, sir.
9. And 4 3 just
12.
12 plus 3. Adding the positive terms. 9 plus 3,
12, sir.
12 minus 12.
0.
0.
Now we can find P of -2. We'll find out change P of -2. Find out this anyone. P of -2. P of -2.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15, sir.
-2 whole square is
4, sir.
4. Minus into minus plus 4 2 just 8 plus 3 equals to 15. Very good. Once again, P of x equals to given polynomial P of x equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. Then find the values of P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, and P of 3. The given polynomial is quadratic polynomial because the quadratic polynomial of degree is 2. That is, the degree of the polynomial is 2. So P of x equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. Substitute the x by x equals to 0. That is, P of 0 equals to 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 3. 0 square is 0. Minus 4 into 0, 0, minus 0 plus 3. X equals to 3. And P of 1 equals to 1 square. 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3. Which is equals to 1 square is 1. 4 1 just minus 4 plus 3. Adding the positive term, the positive terms is 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So 4 minus 4 equals to 0. P of 2 equals to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. 2 square is 4 minus 4 2 just 8 plus 3. So adding positive terms 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 8 equals to minus 1. And P of 3 equals to 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 3 square is 9. 4 3 just 12 minus 12 plus 3. Positive terms is 9 and 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 equals to 0. And then P of -2 equals to -2 whole square minus of 4 into -2 plus 3. Minus into minus plus -2 whole square is minus into minus plus, that is 2 square is 4. 4 plus 8 plus 3 equals to 15. Not down. Next problem. The polynomial x square minus 9 then verify 3 and -3 are the zeros or not. 3 and -3 are the zeros or not. Three and -3 are the zeros or not, and verify them. The given polynomial is x square minus 9. Then you can find substituting with 3 and -3 if either 0 or not. The given polynomial is quadratic or cubic or linear.
Quadratic.
The given polynomial is P of x terms. The polynomial is x times x square minus 9, which is quadratic polynomial. So the degree of the quadratic polynomial is 2. The degree of the polynomial is 2. P of x equals to x square minus 9. Since x equals to 3, P of 3 equals to 3 square minus 9. 3 square is
9, sir.
9.
9. So 9 minus 9 equals to
0, sir.
0. Also P of minus 3 whole square minus 9.
9 minus 9. 0, sir.
9 minus 3 whole square is
9, sir.
9, sir.
9. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Hence 3 and minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. P of x equals to x square minus 9. Once again, verify whether, because of verify whether 3 and minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 1. Given polynomial P of x equals to x square minus 9, which is quadratic. The quadratic degree of the polynomial is 2. P of x equals to x square minus 9. Since x equals to 3, now you can substitute P of 3 equals to 3 square minus 9 equals to 3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Similarly, P of minus 3 equals to minus 3 whole square minus 9. Minus 3 whole square is 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Hence, 3 and minus 3 are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. P of x is equals to x square minus 9. Next one. Verify whether 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 16. X square minus x power 4. X power 4 minus 16. Same problem. Same one. Anyone? Solution. The given polynomial is
Biquadratic polynomial.
the given polynomial is quadratic polynomial. P of x equals to x power 4 minus 16. Quadratic polynomial.
Biquadratic polynomial.
Quadratic కాదు కదా.
Yes, sir.
Biquadratic polynomial, sir.
Since దీని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు x square whole square minus 16 రాసుకోవచ్చా?
రాసుకోండి,
x
sir.
square x square whole square minus 16. What is the problem is verify whether the 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Since x equals to 2, then p of 2 equals to 2 square whole square minus 16. 2 square is
4, sir.
4. 4 square minus 16. Whole square is
16, sir.
so 16 minus 16 equals to
0, sir.
0. Also, p of minus 2 equals to minus 2 whole square minus 16. Minus 2 whole square is
4, sir.
4.
4. 4 square minus 16. 4 square is 16.
16.
Minus 16 0.
0.
And then 2 and minus 2
Minus 2 are
polynomial x power 4 minus 16. X power 4 minus 16. Next problem. P of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. Verify whether 3 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial or not. 3 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial or not. Verify చేయండి ఒకసారి. Verify చేయండి. Verify whether 3x square minus
Yes,
x
sir.
square minus
3
6.
are the zeros of the polynomial, sir.
3 and
2 are the zeros of the polynomial of x square minus x minus x. 6.
x square minus x minus 6. చూద్దాం verify అవుతుందో లేదో. Anyone? Given polynomial is
Quadratic.
quadratic polynomial. That is p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. The degree of the polynomial is 2. We already know that. The degree of the polynomial is 2. That is the quadratic polynomial. Since x equals to 3, then p of 3 equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. 3 square is
9.
9, sir.
9. Minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6 is
Minus 9.
9, sir.
9 minus 9 is
0, sir.
0. Also, x equals to 2. P of 2 equals to 2 square minus 2 minus 6. P of x equals to minus 2 తీసుకున్నాను minus 2. P of x equals to minus 2. P of x equals to minus 2. So minus 2 square is
4 sir. 4 sir.
4. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 is
6 sir.
so 6 minus 6 equals to
0 sir.
0. Hence 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. P of x equals to x square minus x minus no, complete in the
Yes sir.
complete in the okay. And last one, P of m equals to P of m equals to m square minus 3m plus 1. M square minus 3m plus 1. Then find P of 1 and P of minus 1. Find out chain, Nana. Find out chain. P of m equals to m square minus 3m plus 1. Then find P of 1 and P of minus 1. Find out chain.
Sir, P of 1 ki minus 1 sir.
Okay.
P of minus 1 ki minus 5 sir.
Any other answers? Any other answers?
Yep. 3 sir.
Entamma?
PF 1 ki minus 3 sir.
P of 1 equals to minus 3. Okay.
Sir, P of 1 की minus 1, P of minus 1 की 5 sir.
P of minus 1 की 5 आ?
Yes sir.
दो
P of 1 की
cancel.
minus 1 sir.
हाँ. P of 1 की minus 1 अंटारा?
Yes sir.
So minus 1 over की 3 over వచ్చింది. Minus 1 over వచ్చింది, 3 over వచ్చింది. So given polynomial is
M square minus sir.
Quadratic.
quadratic polynomial. P of m equals to m square minus 3m plus 1, which is quadratic. Which is quadratic polynomial. P of 1 equals to, now you can substitute the m value equals to 1. P of 1 equals to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 3 1 just 3. plus 2, which is equals to 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. 3 value is wrong answer. So P of 1 equals to minus 1. P of minus 1 equals to minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole square is
1 sir.
1 sir.
1. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals to
5 sir.
5 sir.
5.
5 sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts in the raise?
సార్ 1 మైనస్ 3 సార్ బోర్డు పైన 1 మైనస్ 3 ప్లస్ 1 అని రాసినారు సార్ పైన ఏడ కింద సార్
1.
ఏడు సార్ 1 మైనస్ 3 ప్లస్ 1 అట్టయితే 3 మైనస్ 3 వస్తుంది కదా సార్
ఎక్కడ నాన్న? ఓ నువ్వు
పిఎఫ్.
ఇక్కడ రాంగ్ జరిగింది చూడు. ఆ కుర్రాడు అంటే నువ్వు అడిగేది
అక్కడే సార్
అది ఇక్కడ 1 మనం తప్పుగా రాసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 1
ఎస్ సార్
సో minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 2 minus 3 సో minus 1 వెరీ గుడ్. ఇక్కడ మనం రాయడం రాంగ్ రాసాం, క్యాల్కులేషన్ వర్క్ కరెక్ట్గా చేసాం. రాయడం అనేది 2 రాసేసాం. వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఇంకా